Hello everybody. Archangel Purlimiek is a new angel to this universe. It has come in specifically to help us during this great time of transition and to help nature. It is the archangel in charge of our natural world and, like Lady Gaia, is the most magnificent blue-green colour. Now, this orb was taken when Archangel Perlimik was racing. You can see the fastness of his movement, racing to stop somebody from cutting down a tree that didn't need to be cut down. Now, for that to happen, a human being had to send out some thoughts to enable him to go to that place. And he was successful. He persuaded the people who were cutting down the tree not to do so. So Archangel Purlimiek would like to work with us today to help the planet. And remember, you are so important. It is only your thoughts, the thoughts of humans, that can allow angels to walk along those thoughts, to move along those thoughts, to do something. Otherwise, they cannot contravene our free will and they have to stand around unemployed, waiting for us to help them and direct them. So perhaps you would like to remember the beautiful, magnificent blue-green colour and just close your eyes and dedicate yourself to helping Archangel Purlimiek help the world of nature. It's only nature that can give us a true sense of peace on earth. So just allow your feet to be flat on the earth. Let your eyelids become heavy. Center yourself with your breath. Relax. And know that Archangel Purlimiek is connecting with you now. Beautiful, soft, blue-green energy. And for a moment you're entering the world of nature. You're finding yourself in a clearing, in a beautiful place. There are trees vibrant with energy. There are flowers growing. And you may be aware of the elemental kingdom that Archangel Perlimik commands, the nature spirits, the fairies, all the earth elementals like goblins and imps and pixies, the sylphs, the mermaids, all in this beautiful place, waiting to help you. And now you are focusing on a place that needs healing. The Amazon basin, where all the trees are being cut down and screaming in anguish. You are taking the peace of nature and now traveling on a bridge of golden green blue light to the Amazon basin. And you are directing thousands and thousands of Perlimiek's angels of nature to whisper to the people who are cutting down the trees not to do it. You're commanding them to whisper to the owners of big businesses, those who invest in those big businesses, not to do this anymore. You're seeing the great, huge, greedy companies changing their minds and investing in helping the land instead, bringing forward the new paradigm. And you're envisaging the whole of the Amazon basin and Brazil with new green forests growing. And then you're going to an area where the trees have been burnt by fire. And you are standing in the middle of one such place where the ground is burnt. And you are surrounded by 1,000,000 green-blue angels. And you are asking the angels to send the energy into the earth to regenerate the grasses, the trees. You're seeing them growing so quickly in front of your eyes. The flowers all blossoming in 1,000,000 colors. All the medicinal plants growing again. And you are asking the angels to pour their light into the rivers of the world and see the rivers becoming clearer, purer, lighter. You are finding a tree or imagining a tree, and you are hugging that tree with Perlimik's angel, thanking it for all the work it's done, reminding it that it's so useful that we cannot manage without it. Now we're going to the vast monofields, the monocultures of the world, where there are hundreds of acres of one crop growing, where the ground is so depleted, where the birds no longer have hedges. The old paradigm that we've left behind. And you're going in with Perlimik's angels and envisaging those places coming alive. Trees growing, hedges growing, birds returning, insects, butterflies all returning, flowers growing. And people at peace and honoring nature. And you're coming back to where you started. And you're finding yourself in a quiet, quiet place in nature. And Perlimik is touching your heart with the peace of nature. There is only peace here. And Archangel Purlimiek is thanking you for your service. Without you, this cannot be done. He's saying that you have no idea just how much you have helped in this few minutes today. The angels are blessing you, and a reward is coming to you. And I ask you to continue with the work, and I'll just put up Archangel Perlimik again, so that you can sense and see and feel his colour, his light and his energy. Thank you.